Hello guys, welcome back to Gujarat Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix solar wind error, unable to connect to server, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you have to clear DNS cache, and to do this you just have to go here in the start and you have to click on run command. You have to search for run command and you have to open it. You just have to open the run app and you have to type the command cmd. You have to type cmd and press OK. So now from here you have to give a command which I'm going to type over there. So you have to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS. You have to type this and press enter. So it will be, as you can see, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So it has been done. Moving on to the next solution is it is all about restart the advanced monitoring agent. So to do this you just have to press Windows and R key all together. So you'll be getting the run dialog box and here you have to type for services.msc. You have to type services.msc and you have to press OK. And from here you have to right click on the advanced monitoring agent service, which you have to click on this. So you have to search for this one. So you have to scroll down and you have to check for advanced. You have to check for advanced monitoring agent services. You have to select from here, and once after selecting the respective one, what you have to do is you have to select the respective one and you have to right click on it, and from here you just have to go for the options. You just have to go for the restart options and select restart. So you have to select it from here, go for restart. So this is the second step. Moving on to the next one is checking the firewall. To do this you just have to press Windows and R key all together. You'll be getting a run dialog box, and from here you have to type appwiz.cpl and you have to press enter. And now from here you have to in the program and features, from here you have to check for the respective one, and you have to unscreen detection from here. So you just have to check for it, and once after doing this what you have to do, so you just have to go here and you have to go for restart. This is what you have to do. Then moving on to the next step is all about, you just have to scroll down a little bit and you can make sure that you're running on the latest version of Windows. So to do this you just have to go here and go over here onto the settings and move to update and security, and from here you have to check for Windows update, and if you have any kind of update just update this. So these are some of the possible workarounds which you have to try out to fix solar wind error, unable to connect to server, and how to fix this up. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.